Welcome to my San Vito Lo Capo travel guide, your ultimate resource for exploring this stunning corner of Sicily, Italy. Discover the best things to do in San Vito Lo Capo, from its breathtaking beaches to its mouth-watering cuisine, ensuring you make the most of your visit. Don't forget to subscribe and keep following for more videos on Sicily, offering everything you need to know to plan your perfect Italian getaway. San Vito Lo Capo is renowned for its stunning beach, considered one of the most beautiful in Italy, featuring pristine white sands and crystal clear waters that create a true Mediterranean paradise. The town is also famous for its annual Couscous Fest, a cultural and gastronomic festival that celebrates couscous as a dish of peace and integration, attracting chefs from around the globe. Additionally, the dramatic mountain backdrop and historic sites, including the charming Chiesa di San Vito Sanctuary, add to its allure, making it a must-visit destination on Sicily's scenic northwest coast. Getting to San Vito Lo Capo is streamlined and comfortable, especially when flying with Turkish Airlines. Travelers can enjoy the high-quality service of Turkish Airlines on flights from Istanbul Airport to Palermo, which is the nearest major airport to San Vito Lo Capo. Once in Palermo, visitors can opt for a scenic car rental journey or take a direct bus transfer to reach San Vito Lo Capo, completing the last leg of their journey to this beautiful Sicilian retreat. Traveling around San Vito Lo Capo is most conveniently done on foot due to its compact size and pedestrian-friendly streets. For destinations slightly farther afield, such as nearby natural reserves or other coastal spots, renting a bicycle or a scooter offers a scenic and enjoyable way to explore at your own pace. Additionally, the local bus service provides reliable transport options to surrounding areas, and during peak tourist seasons, shuttle services from major cities like Palermo make it accessible to everyone. San Vito Lo Capo is exceptionally walkable, allowing visitors to easily explore the main attractions, beaches, and local eateries by foot. The town's layout, with its centralized beach area and adjacent shopping and dining options, encourages walking as the best way to appreciate its charming atmosphere and vibrant street life. Moreover, pedestrian zones in the town center ensure a safe and pleasant walking experience, making it ideal for leisurely strolls at any time of the day. San Vito Lo Capo offers a plethora of sights to enchant every visitor, starting with the tranquil sanctuary of San Vito Martire, a historic site imbued with local religious significance and architectural beauty. The main attraction is undoubtedly San Vito Lo Capo Beach, renowned for its stunning white sands and azure waters, perfect for sunbathing and water sports. The marina and lighthouse provide a picturesque setting, where visitors can enjoy serene walks and breathtaking sunsets across the Mediterranean. Wander through the town center and explore its narrow streets, where vibrant local shops and cafes offer a taste of Sicilian life. Don't miss the popular local viewpoint, accessible via a short hike, offering panoramic views of the town and its surrounding landscapes, ideal for capturing memorable photos. For a day trip, Scopello entices travelers with its charming coves and the famous Tannara di Scopello, a historic tuna fishery. Another recommended day trip is to the medieval town of Errichur, perched on a hilltop, where ancient streets and medieval castles steep in history and culture. Each of these destinations contributes to the rich tapestry of experiences that make San Vito Lo Capo a must-visit location on Sicily's stunning coastline. San Vito Lo Capo is bursting with activities for every type of traveler, starting with a stroll through the charming town center, where the culture and vibrancy of Sicily come alive. A leisurely walk along the seaside promenade offers stunning views of the Mediterranean and is the perfect way to soak in the local atmosphere. Gastronomy enthusiasts should not miss trying local delicacies. The fresh seafood and traditional Italian dishes here are a culinary delight. For shoppers, the local boutiques offer a variety of Sicilian souvenirs, from handcrafted ceramics to locally produced olive oils, making for perfect mementos or gifts. Adventure seekers can hike to the local viewpoint, where they'll be rewarded with breathtaking scenic views of the coastline and rugged landscapes. Those looking to relax can take a break at the beach, enjoying the crystal clear waters and pristine sands that make San Vito Lo Capo a top beach destination. Water sports enthusiasts have plenty to choose from, including snorkeling, kayaking, and windsurfing, which are fantastic ways to experience the vibrant marine life. Each of these activities captures the essence of San Vito Lo Capo, offering a blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural immersion. The best time to visit San Vito Lo Capo is from late spring to early autumn, particularly between May and October, when the weather is warm and sunny, ideal for beach activities and exploring. September is especially appealing, as the crowds diminish but the weather remains delightful, and the Couscous Fest, a highlight cultural event, takes place. During these months, visitors can fully enjoy the outdoor cafes, waterfront promenades, and the natural beauty of the surrounding areas at their peak. San Vito Lo Capo can be moderately expensive, especially during peak tourist season when prices for accommodation and restaurants tend to rise due to high demand. However, there are budget-friendly options available, including smaller guest houses and self-catering apartments, which can help manage costs. Dining out and shopping can also be done on a budget if one chooses local trattorias and markets over tourist-centric spots, making it possible to enjoy the area without overspending. The main area in San Vito Lo Capo is centered around its famous beach, a hub of activity lined with cafes, shops, and restaurants that cater to both locals and tourists. The town center, just a short walk from the beach, is the heart of the community, with narrow, picturesque streets that embody the charm of Sicilian village life. This area is also where most festivals and public events occur, including the renowned Couscous Fest, making it the cultural and social focal point of the town. In San Vito Lo Capo, the must-try dish is couscous, reflecting the area's rich cultural blend of Mediterranean and North African flavors, often served with seafood caught fresh from the local waters. Another local favorite is the pane cunzato, a deliciously seasoned bread topped with ingredients like tomatoes, anchovies, and local cheese, perfect for a light, flavorful lunch. For dessert, visitors should not miss out on cannoli, filled with sweet, creamy ricotta, or granita, a refreshing icy treat, particularly during the warm summer months. Shopping in San Vito Lo Capo offers delightful local crafts, including beautifully painted ceramics and hand-woven textiles that reflect Sicilian artistic traditions. Visitors should also consider purchasing locally produced food items, such as olive oil, wines, and pesto Trapanese, which are perfect for bringing a taste of Sicily back home. Jewelry made from coral and lava stones, often sold in small boutiques and market stalls, makes for unique and meaningful souvenirs. San Vito Lo Capo offers a range of accommodation options to suit different budgets and preferences, from luxury beachfront hotels that provide stunning sea views to cozy, family-run B&Bs nestled in quieter parts of the town. For those seeking independence, there are numerous holiday apartments available that offer a more personal and homely experience. Camping enthusiasts will also find well-equipped campsites close to the beach, offering both rental options and spots for tents, perfect for a more nature-immersed stay. A stay of 3 to 5 days is typically sufficient to fully experience San Vito Lo Capo, allowing visitors to explore its beautiful beach, indulge in local cuisine, and stroll through the charming town center. This duration also provides enough time for a couple of day trips to nearby attractions like the Zingaro Nature Reserve or the historic town of Ericha. For those looking to relax and unwind at a slower pace, extending the visit to a full week might be ideal, giving more time to soak in the serene atmosphere and enjoy leisure activities like hiking and snorkeling. San Vito Lo Capo is generally considered very safe for tourists, with low crime rates and a welcoming atmosphere that makes visitors feel at ease. The local community is friendly and accustomed to hosting tourists, which contributes to a secure and comfortable environment. As with any travel destination, it's advised to observe standard safety precautions such as safeguarding personal belongings and staying aware of your surroundings, especially at night. San Vito Lo Capo is definitely worth a visit for those who appreciate stunning natural landscapes, rich cultural festivals, and excellent culinary experiences. The town's famous beach, with its crystal clear waters and white sands, is perfect for both relaxation and various water sports. Coupled with its unique blend of Mediterranean charm and vibrant local life, San Vito Lo Capo offers a compelling and enriching holiday experience that appeals to a wide range of travelers. I hope you enjoyed this comprehensive travel guide to San Vito Lo Capo, Sicily, and that you're now ready to explore all the amazing things to do in this beautiful part of Italy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more detailed guides and tips on other exciting destinations in Sicily. Keep following us for more insights that will help you plan an unforgettable Italian adventure.